Hello friends, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I am going to tell you in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you the Simpsons prediction for 2023. So friends, let's get start our video without any delay. Friends, our next prediction is inflation and economic crisis. A TikTok video has claimed that in terms of the 2023 prediction, The Simpsons hint at an economic crisis. The video claims a man tells Homer, "Energy, the end of civilization coming soon to an America near you." While Homer responds, "America can't collapse. We are as powerful as ancient Rome." The episode reportedly showcased Homer being shown a video about the future which showcase cards such as "No local farming, peak oil." And the next scariest prediction is US-China war, the nuclear war. Another YouTube video about the Simpsons prediction also claim one of the scariest prediction made on The Simpsons for 2023 apparently also happened to see the one where they suggest there could be a nuclear war between the US and China. In one of their episode, the news anchor can be heard saying, "It is with great sadness that I inform you that America and China have declared war. A massive nuclear attack is expected to reach our shores within the hour." And the next and one of the scariest and mysterious prediction is zombie virus outbreak. The Simpsons reportedly predicted that there will be a zombie virus outbreak in 2023 as per a TikTok post. The episode showcase have a burger turned into a zombie apocalypse after high quantity cows were made into meat sauce, and then the meat sauce was fed to the cows. Human made the cows into hamburger, and after them, and then they became zombies. And the next prediction is the arrival of Trump again as a president. While Donald Trump announced that he will be returned for the 2024 presidential election last year, it was already predicted on The Simpsons. The Simpsons producer Al Jean took to Twitter to share an image of 2015 episode of the series which features Homer Simpson's flying as a Trump 2024 campaign sign stands in the background. The show had previously also predicted Kamala Harris run the vice president. And the next one prediction is environmental pollution. As known, the problem of pollution has already occurred and is getting worse. In one episode, it was even showed that environmental condition will get worse in 2023. An episode tell of the destruction of Springfield. All the rivers are dirty and polluted with harmful compounds. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us your interesting or scariest prediction in this video. We will meet in next video. For that, take care.